Hello, guys. I'm Beverly Reed, and my experience with the first day of this workshop, I'm very enlightened. I was very impressed when Diego, as well as um, Mr. Drone Boss himself, was saying this is family oriented. I'm a grandmother of 6 grandchildren. One right now we're trying to get because the father has taken him. But prior to this, I had been trying to introduce my babies to the drone industry and to be able to make this a family, maybe corporation one day. This is my goal as the matriarch of this family. And I have a fear about being successful in this because the career I've tackled, I've been in for 30 years now, and I wanted to move into something different. And as I got a little bit involved with the droning, I've became more interested, and it's fun. And I want to introduce this to my actual bloodline. And it's a blessing to be able to get exposed to even the fact of not to have platitudes when you're introducing your business. Oh, that is such a big deal. And thanks for the compliment, Diego, about I'm a poet and don't know it. But you guys have something really special going on here. And I'm hoping to be strengthened and conquer that fear because my father has not given me a spirit of fear. And by me having the knowledge, I can move forward and be more confident, and that my children and my the offspring can see Mama is doing her thing. I think I want to move up into those ranks as well. So thank you guys for impressing me. And I'm looking forward to the next 2 days. And even though I have a little drone, it'll be nice to win one so the other my grandkids, when I get that other baby back from this difficult situation, they're gonna have amazement on how they can fly the skies and we can all have a better altitude and a higher attitude about things. So talk to you guys later. Have a good one and thank you for this opportunity. Bye.